TextCase in SwiftUI. Let's talk about how to apply TextCase on text and text field in SwiftUI. How to apply TextCase modifier on text and text field in SwiftUI. So first of all, we're gonna create on this SwiftUI view, which have the TextCase modifier in SwiftUI. Example, TextCase modifier example. We're gonna create on this structure. First of all, we're gonna create on this wish tag, and we're gonna create on this text. So suppose this is a MacBook Pro. So we're gonna apply on this, suppose this title, and we're gonna apply this weight. This is a bold. We can apply on this bold weight. We're gonna apply on this color. This is a red color. Okay, resume on this project. So what is TextCase? Sets a transform for the case. Set a transform from the case of the text contained in the view when displayed. Of the text contained in the view when displayed. SwiftUI text field and other we can use of example. This is uppercase and lowercase. So we're gonna apply on this TextCase modifier dot TextCase modifier. Suppose we're gonna apply on this uppercase. So this is the all string on this uppercase. Okay. Then on this presume on this product all string in the uppercase. Suppose we're gonna apply on this lowercase. So all string I'm gonna apply on this MacBook Pro. This is lowercase string on this. Apply on this lowercase string. So we're gonna see this is MacBook Pro. This is lowercase. And we're gonna apply on this lowercase and uppercase. So lowercase, uppercase, and nil. We're gonna apply on this two case lowercase and uppercase. We're gonna apply this uppercase. This is a MacBook Pro. Okay. So we're gonna create on this text field. SwiftUI text field view normally lets user write their text on whatever case they want, but if you want to control that, you can force either uppercase and lowercase text using the TextCase modifier in SwiftUI. So first of all, we're gonna create on this state property. We can use the state property read and write value is text, which is type of a string and is equal to empty. We're gonna create on this text field. For a text field, create on this instance. So this is a enter your name and bind on this property dollar. Assign on this is text our create on this text string properties. Okay, we can resume on this project text, and we're gonna apply this padding dot horizontal padding. We're gonna assign this dot horizontal padding, and we're gonna apply this text field style dot rounded border text field style. We're gonna create on this instance this class rounded border text field style. We're gonna assign this rounded border text field style. Enter your name. Can run on this project, and we're gonna apply on this TextCase dot TextCase. So this is the uppercase. Enter your name. This is uppercase. Enter your name. And we're gonna apply on this lowercase. This is enter your name lowercase. We're gonna apply this enter your name lowercase. You can enter your name lowercase. We're gonna apply this uppercase. You can use the uppercase, enter your name uppercase. So this TextCase sets a transform for the case in the text contained in the view when displayed. SwiftUI text field view normally lets user write their text in whatever case they want to, but if you want to control that, you case force either uppercase and lowercase text by using test case modifier in SwiftUI. So thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy of this test case.